Over guys to Chris. Man, look outside, guys. It's crazy. Now this is a blizzard right here. Whoa, man. Man, this is intense. It's cold right now, big time. Oh boy. Wow. Just look at the blizzard. It's snowing like crazy. Wow, man. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be having school, guys, tomorrow. Today is Sunday, then tomorrow's gonna be Monday. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be no school Monday. Hopefully, like, for seniors, we don't have to make it up. Because, I think, like, for seniors, we don't have to make it up. But for freshmen... Okay, sorry, guys. I'm kind of getting distracted. I'm, like, looking at the snow at the same time while talking at the same time. You know what I mean, guys? Okay, what I was saying earlier is, like, I think, like, seniors, they don't have to make it up. I'm a senior, and I don't think that I have to make it up. Not sure if I have to. But what I was saying earlier, like, freshmen, sophomore, and junior, those guys, they have to make it up. But, man, guys, look at that. It's crazy. And at night, it's going to be, like, not really dark. Just like 2 days ago, guys, you know? So, yeah, I think half hour, I'm going to, check it out outside. I feel like this is actually the worst compared to 2008. And man, I'm all grown up. Back when the very first blizzard that happened was when I was 8 years old. That was in 2008. And then right now in 2019, and I'm 18 years old. And man, I think this is actually the worst. Because I actually remember 11 years ago. Man, it's snowing non-stop. Yeah, guys, I can't believe years went so fast. And I'm about to graduate too. Anyways, see you guys. Peace out.